Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to stop Instagram from sharing your activity with websites and apps. If you want to stop Instagram from sharing your activity with websites and apps, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your Instagram app, open it, and here go to your profile in the right bottom corner, then select three dots in the top right corner, and here select account center, and then select your information and permissions, and here you'll had get an option of your activity or meta technologies. Just tap on it, and here you just have to tap on reset activities, select it, and here you just have to tap on clear previous activity, tap on it, then tap on clear, then tap on clear again. In this way you'll clear your recent activities. The activities cleared status will be shown, and after that just go back to meta technology section, and here just select manage future activity, and here tab on disconnect future activity, then tab on continue, then tab on continue future activity, and after that you have successfully stopped Instagram from sharing your activity with websites and apps. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.